Welcome to our social media update. This Friday evening, light rain at this hour, 70 degrees. Those winds out of the north at 8 miles per hour, thanks to a cold front that came over us just yesterday. That cold front has certainly made a presence over Tallahassee. A lot of cloud cover this afternoon, 60s over the eastern portion, thanks to all that rain just recently, now pushing into Tallahassee as well. Cloud cover continues to be more dominant towards the west with those warmer 70s. However, that rain is beginning to push further west. You can see it now over Quincy, Tallahassee, US 27. Just a soggy ride all throughout from Bainbridge all the way down to Perry. US 221, I-10. It's gonna remember to have those umbrellas and ponchos handy this evening. The cold front and stationary front now becoming, thanks to a low pressure associated just off the coast into Georgia and Savannah, bringing heavy rain over the Carolinas, flash flood watches, coastal flood advisories, rip current, high surf. All this is a mess from Florida all the way up to the northeast, and that's going to be the weather pattern for the next couple of days. We also do have Hurricane Joaquin just trying to spin on the outside of our radar. 130 mile per hour winds, definitely a strong storm, and it's going to eventually push towards Bermuda. But for us, however, you definitely see that cloud cover pushing in, continuing into our Saturday. And when it comes to all that rain, however, it's going to be pushing definitely to South Carolina, North Carolina, Columbia, Greenville, Charleston is definitely going to be putting out a lot of that rain. And it will begin to die down as we go into our Sunday. When it comes to those beach days, however, it's not going to be one of the best days. Tomorrow, northwest at 15 miles per hour, that water temperature at 80 degrees, and tonight's temperature 63 degrees. Relatively cool for this time of the year, below average, mostly cloudy skies. Definitely the showers will begin to taper off just slightly as we go into the overnight hours. However, it's going to tomorrow afternoon, 73 degrees, a repeat carbon copy of today on Friday, 10 degrees below the average for this time of the year. And when it comes to those, just remember tomorrow we also do have the FSU football game against Wake Forest in Winston-Salem. A really chilly 60 degrees, a slop fest when it comes to holding those footballs. So it's definitely going to be one to watch. Hopefully FSU pulls that win with that half an inch of rain expected. So just remember to give yourself some extra time driving there, and also just be careful when it comes to tailgating as well. And for the next 7 days, conditions will absolutely begin to improve by the time we get into our Monday. Sunday, we'll still see that cloud cover hanging just around. Below average temperatures will eventually give it to more seasonable conditions for this time of the year into the 80s. Morning lows will be rather pleasant into those low 60s, and we can kiss those 70s goodbye all for next work week.